What is the meaning of non-terminating means? Non-terminating means in that division quotient part there is you are not getting the infinite number of terms in that after point. Then that terms are called non-terminating numbers. And sometimes you are taking the number that number is that rational number is you are getting the non-recurring number means repeating number. For example, I am taking 1 by 3. Already this topic is completed. 1 by 3 is 3 is divided by 1. Then 3 table 1 is not possible. Then I am taking 0. 3 3 is 9. Then it is 1. Again point is there. Again you are taking 0. Again it is 3. Again 9. Like that until you will get the 3 3 3 3 3 only. It is not end with any 0 remainder. Okay. That's the reason it is 0.33333. Then this number you convert into 0.3 bar. This type of decimals are called non-terminating recurring numbers. Non-terminating recurring numbers. When this after decimal point that numbers are not repeated, then that numbers are you are taking non-terminating, just non-terminating. When they are after your point, when these digits are repeated again and again, that numbers are non-recurring numbers, non-terminating recurring numbers. Then you are taking that numbers only in this topic. A first question I am taking. Otherwise, this question can they are taking convert the following decimals to P by Q form. Same thing, Nana. This is and this is both are same. This is non-terminating decimal to rational form. But in the question, they are asking given some non-terminating numbers. Then you are converted into P by Q form. Okay, now both are same. Next, here I am taking some examples, some problems. That is 0.3 bar. Now only you are taking, and 0.75 bar. Some numbers too also I am taking 3, 2, 3 bar. I am taking three types of problems here. Three types of problems I am taking here. What are the problems means? First question, there is only single number have bar. Second question, two numbers have bar means 0.75 bar means 0.75757575. It is not end with any digits. This is 75 is repeating more times, infinitely number of times. Next, third question is 2.323 bar. 323 bar. So these three numbers are repeated so many times. Then here I am taking first question. Let this one I am taking is a x. So in that x I am expand the term 3 3 3 3 and so on. I am removing this bar. Where once you are removing this bar means what is the meaning of that bar? That bar indicates that numbers are which number having the bar. That numbers are repeated so many times. See here 0.33333 and so on. Then how many numbers having bar? Only one number. That is period. How many numbers are there means that is period. And you are converted into that much of zeros. Means that is a periodicity. That is how many numbers are? Only one. That's the reason I am taking 10x. In this case 0.75. In this periodicity is 2. Then you have to take two zeros. Two zeros to you are taking 100. Okay now. Two zeros means that is 100. Two numbers only having the bar means you are taking 100. Here three numbers having the bar, then you are taking 1000. Okay, now next it is 10x means 10 into x is what now? 0.3333 and so on. Then multiply now. 10 into this one means this point forward one digit. 10 means one decimal only forwarding. Here two digits are there. When you are multiplying that 100, two decimals are forwarding. ఇక్కడ టూ డిజిట్స్ ముందుకెళ్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ త్రీ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 1000 తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేసాం. 1000 అంటే త్రీ డిసిమల్స్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అంటే త్రీ డిసిమల్స్ ముందుకెళ్తాయి. దెన్ 100 into this one means this point is forwarding only one digit. Then 3.3333 and so on. Then it is 10x. Then add the subtract to this 10x into subtracted by x means that is 0.333 and so on. Then do the subtraction. 3 cancel, 3 cancel, 3 cancel. We have only 3. Then it is nothing means 1. 10 minus 1 is 9x. Then x is equal to what? 3 by 9. Cancel the term 3 1s are 3 3s are. Then what we get? 1 by 3. Therefore, what is the rational form of that non-repeating decimal number? X is equal to 1 by 3. It is a non-repeating decimal number means non-terminating recurring number. You are converted to rational form or P by Q form. You are getting 1 by 3. Otherwise, second one I am taking. How you means? Then first of all I am taking let x is equal to what is your question? 0.75 bar. Then I am writing 75, 75, 75 and so on. After what is the periodicity now? 2. Two numbers having the bar. So that is called periodicity. Then two numbers having bar means 2 zeros 2 means that is 100x is equal to 100 into what is x now? This one only 0.757575 and so on. Next multiply this. Already previous problem I explained already. What that 100 into this one means this point is forwarded to depending on these are zeros. Here only 10 means this point is going on only one digit forward. Two zeros are there. Two decimals are forwarded. Forwarded అంటే ముందుకెళ్తాయి అన్నమాట. అంటే 75.757575 and so on. Then already I am taking x also. It is 100x. Then I am taking x. Do the subtraction 0.75757575. Then do the subtraction 5 7 5 7 are cancelled, remaining 75 only. Here 100 minus 1 how much now? 99x. Then x is equal to 75 by 99. If there is a possible of cancellation, you will cancel. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. It is the final answer 25 by 33. There is no cancellation. Therefore, what is the value of x? 25 by 33. Copy now. Second bit, P by non-terminating to rational form P by Q form. Out of 4 problems, here I am explaining 1 or 2 problems only. Remaining 2 for your homework. This is I am explaining. This is single number. No need. This is also 0.1 to 2 digit numbers. Already were computed previously. It is 3 digit number, but 2 numbers only having the bar. Okay. It is also not difficult. All problems are very easy. But I am explaining the third one. 0.729 bar. Then what to do now? Let x is equal to 0.72292929. Why are you taking 29 only? That 29 only having the bar, not 7. Observe the bar carefully. 7 to 9. 29 only having bar, not 7. That's the reason I am repeating the 292929 only repeating. I am repeating so many times. Then what is the periodicity now? Two numbers having the bar. So what is our periodicity? Only two. Two numbers having the bar means I have to take two zeros to it will form the 100. Then I am taking 100x is equal to 100 into what is x? 0.7292929 and so on. Then multiplied by 100, 100x is equal to multiplied by 100. Already I said once you are multiplied by 100, this point is forwarded to two decimal points. 272.9292929 and so on. Then write your same x value. What is x? 0.72929 and 29 and so on. Then 9, 2, 9, 2, 9, 2 are cancelled. Here 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. We have 72 only. Then 100 minus 1, how much? 99x only. Then x is equal to 72.2 by 99. See once, there is 72.2. The denominator number is 99 is there. Then there is not to cancel the number. Okay now, in a table it is not possible. Then again I am remodifying to one more point is there. That point means I am writing multiplied by 10. Why means we are again we are getting decimal point. That's the reason I am multiplied by 100. Once you are getting after decimal point, two digits are there means multiplied by 100. After point you have three decimals are there, then you multiply by 1000. You are only after point only one decimal point is there, then I multiplied by 10. What do you get now? 722 by 990. Now cancel the number. 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 2 1 are 2. Again 2 4 are 8, 2 9 are 18, 2 5 are 10. Then it is 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So it is again cancellation is not possible. Then it is only your answer. That is your answer. Is it clear? In 1.3, third bit now. Third bit, two problems are given. What they are asking is find x plus y is divided by x minus y. If the values of x and y is given, and second problem also they are given x and y values. Then first to take this value x plus y. First to find out the x plus y value by and x minus y. First x plus y is divided by x minus y. Then x, what is x now? 5 by 2 plus y plus what is y? Minus 3 by 4 divided by x. What is x? 5 by 2 minus and again y minus 3 by 4. Then 5 by 2 plus into minus minus 3 by 4 is divided by 5 by 2 minus into minus is plus 3 by 4. Then what to do now? It is the sum of subtraction of two rational numbers. It is addition of two rational numbers. Then first to find out take the addition of 2 and 4. You are getting the 4. In 2 table 4. In 2 table 4. 2 times 5 2 are 10 minus already 4 is there 4. Both are same. Then write 3 is as is. Then here also take LCM is 4. Then again 2 table 4. 2 times 5 2 are 10 plus 4 again 4. Both are same denominators. Then you are writing 3. See here. Here this fraction denominator is 4. This fraction denominator is 4. I am cancelling 4. Then 10 minus 3 how much Nana? 7. And 10 plus 3 is how much? 30. Then what is the value Nana? Therefore x plus y by x minus y is equal to 7 by 30. This is the answer for your question. Are you understood? Next, see this one also same thing. First to take the question. X plus y by x minus y is there. Then substitute the values. X is 1 by 4 plus y is what? 3 by 2. X is 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 2. Then take the LCM of 4 and 2. You are getting 4. Then 4 is 4. Then I am writing same one 4. Here 2, 4. 4 table 2. 2 times. Multiply here. 3 2 is 6. By. Here again take the LCM of 4. 4 table 4. Same. Then 1 minus 2 table 4. 2 table 4. 2 times only. Then multiply by 2. 3 2 is 6. Then denominator. Both denominators are same. Then it is 6 plus 1 by 6. 1 minus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. And it is the biggest one is minus. Then I am writing minus. 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore, right here x plus y by x minus y is equal to minus 7 by 5. Already I said minus is either denominator or numerator. That minus is belongs to only upper part, means numerator only. This is the answer for your second one. Sir, in this bit you only completed the two problems. There is no homework, means I am only giving some problems.
Santosh, ఎంత లాగింగ్ అనమాట
X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 5 by 4. Take this is a homework.